Oh no, the girl on skates is about to run over the kitten. How can we save the kitten? I know. We need a glass and some water. Done. The kitten is safe. Skate carefully.
No!
Yay!
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hey, do you know how to make a sheet of paper hold an apple? Maybe like this? No, let me show you a trick. A flat sheet of paper is too flexible and weak. But when you fold it in a zigzag pattern, you create many stiff legs or ribs. Now the weight of the apple is not concentrated in one place, but is distributed across all these sturdy paper legs working together. It's like a team of tiny soldiers supporting the apple.
What? So? Huh? I know. Take a sponge, put a bar of soap inside. Use rubber bands to make a head, ears and paws. Add eyes and draw a cute mouth. Look at this!
Wash your feet with soap. Rinse your feet. My feet are clean.
Yes!
Wow!
Wow.
Great!
Broccoli, pumpkin, cabbage, pumpkin, cabbage, broccoli, cabbage, pumpkin, broccoli, broccoli,
Broccoli!
cabbage,
Cabbage.
pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Good for you!
Yay!
Thank you! Hey!
How? Yay! Sounds amazing. Let's go wait for the turtles outside.
Extra, extra! Tutti Frutti Turtles arrived today!
So, where are they?
I don't understand. They should be here by now. What if they're not coming?
In all my cats' lives, that's never happened before!
Oh no, what if they've gotten lost?
Tutti Frutti Turtles lost! Read all about it!
Or worse, what if they got caught in a storm?
Tutti Frutti Turtles caught in a storm! You heard it here first!
Oh, you're not helping matters.
Extra, extra! Dog attacks frog!
Maybe the turtles are in trouble. Let's take the royal barge up the beach to look for them.
You three go. I'll stay here on this nice dry land.
Stop being a chicken. What if the turtles need help? You're a royal guard.
Why can't I be a royal chicken sometimes?
I hope we find the turtles. We've got to. Tutti Frutti Turtles only have one day to lay their eggs, and that day is today.
What's that?
What?
What?
Sir Kitty Cat!
Did you drop this?
Thank you, mermaids. I thought you were the Tutti Frutti Turtles.
Oh, we saw some Tutti Frutti Turtles a little while ago. Yeah, they were in big fishing nets. They went that away. In nets? That can't be good.
Come on, we've got to find them. Oh, someone's here. Maybe they know about the turtles.
What if they captured the turtles?
Don't even say that!
Got ya! Huh? Oh,
Got me? Well, you've got a lot of explaining to do is what you've got.
Oh, Ed, we're sorry. We thought you were a turtle thief.
Well, there seems to be all kinds of thievery thieves out there today. Thieving all kinds of thievery thefts. Someone stole my color machine!
Your what?
Oh, it's a most marvelously marvelous machine. I invented it to take the colors from one thing and to put them on another thing. How else do you think I paint rainbows? With those tiny little brushes? Oh.
And someone stole your machine?
Yes, but I'll flush them out of hiding with my thief flusher outer.
It looks like a thermometer to me.
It does indeed, and the temperature is rising. Because I'm hot on the trail of those thieving thieves.
Maybe we're looking for the same thief. Ed, can we join you?
I'd be most honored, Your Highness.
Those nets are like the ones the mermaids mentioned. I'll bet the turtles are here. Huh? Why do the problem pandas have umbrellas? It's not even raining.
I smell a rat. Or maybe that's what a panda smells like.
Excuse me? Why are you carrying an umbrella?
We're modeling them for the twin princesses.
Something is definitely wrong here.
Oh, Mikado will make it right.
Whoa!
too.
A customer is a customer.
You're right.
You have the honor of being the first to see our exclusive new collection of umbrellas. Designed in the most exotic colors from halfway around the world. Halfway around the world? Isn't that where the turtles come from?
It sure is.
We call them our Tutti Frutti umbrellas!
That's it! Where are the turtles? Over here! Oh, come see this sorry sight to see!
Oh no! Look at the turtles!
The Double Trouble stole my color machine and then stole the color from the turtles.
Oh, what does it matter? Those Tutti Frutti colors look much better on our umbrellas than on those turtles. Because of your selfishness, these turtles might not have time to get to the beach and lay their eggs. Give them their colors back right now so they can go. Why should we? We have a brand new collection of umbrellas to sell. Customers who just can't wait to buy them. And I'll give you all the colors of my castle in exchange.
Oh.
You mean that not only would we still have colorful umbrellas to sell, but we'd also have the pleasure of making your castle look all sad and gray? It's a deal! Pandas, bring out the machine!
Billy, your beautiful castle. Are you sure about this?
Yes, if it makes the turtles happy, it makes me happy too.
All right and all ready. First, we take the colorful colors from the umbrellas. And now we put them back on the turtles, where they belong.
Oh, it worked.
Excuse me, okay, and now let's take all the color out of Billy's castle. Now wait, it's my turn.
What do you mean? It's my turn.
Now let me do it. No, listen, I've got it. It's my turn.
That's my machine, you selfish sisters!
Let's get these turtles out of here.
You can do it!
Oh, the turtles are so slow. They're never going to get to the beach in time to lay their eggs.
Come on, you can do it!
I might just have a way to speed them up. We're almost there. I hope Ed got his machine back.
So, you won't say sorry for stealing my machine?
Oh, Princess! You found the Tutti Frutti turtles!
She almost had to give up all the colors in her castle to do it.
It would have been worth it. Look!
Oh! Isn't it just beautiful?
Absolutely. You did a great job today, Billy. We're so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y.